Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make a logo in Canva. So let's get started. At first, open Canva and search for logo. And from here, select a pre-designed logo template that resonates with your brand or start from scratch to build your logo based on your vision. Customize the logo's design by changing colors, fonts, shapes, and layout to reflect your brand's identity. Make necessary adjustments to achieve the desired look. So that's it. Now you can download your logo and start using it to represent your brand. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.